Here's something that might shock you. Getting your first 1,000 subscribers is actually harder than going from 1,000 to 100,000. I know that sounds backwards, but let me explain why this changes everything about how you should approach YouTube growth. Casey Neistat, one of YouTube's most successful creators, revealed that his hardest milestone wasn't hitting millions of subscribers. It was getting his first 100, then his first 1,000. Why? Because communities build themselves once they reach critical mass. When you have momentum, growth becomes exponential rather than linear. But here's the problem most creators face. They're stuck in manual mode, spending hours writing scripts, researching keywords, and optimizing videos by hand. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence has completely transformed how smart creators are scaling their channels. I've been on YouTube for over a decade and have generated millions of subscribers across multiple channels. Recently, I invested over $100,000 developing an AI system specifically designed to crack YouTube's algorithm. And before you ask why I'm sharing this, it's because I genuinely want to help creators break through that brutal first 1,000 subscriber barrier. The foundation of YouTube's success is simple. Views equal subscribers. You typically convert 1 to 3% of your viewers into subscribers. So, if you get 100 views, expect 1 to 3 new subscribers. The key is appearing in search results, suggested videos, and user homepages consistently. This AI tool I developed, called TubeMagic, does something revolutionary. Instead of just generating generic scripts like ChatGPT, it analyzes successful videos in your niche and creates content that combines the best elements from multiple high-performing videos. Here's how it works. You input your video topic, then add links to successful videos covering similar subjects. The system extracts valuable insights from these reference videos and synthesizes them into a superior script. You're essentially creating the ultimate version of content that's already proven to work. But TubeMagic goes beyond script generation. I've embedded 10 years of YouTube expertise into specialized frameworks, viral hook databases, intro templates, value loop structures, strategic content ordering, tension and pacing controls, emotional wave patterns, payoff structuring, advanced psychology triggers, and algorithmic optimization techniques. The system uses Claude AI, which produces higher quality writing than other language models, and lets you specify exact word counts for precise video lengths. Want a 10-minute video? Request 1,500 words. The timing will be nearly perfect. One of my secret weapons is the warp upload feature. Before publishing any video, upload it as unlisted, then paste that link into TubeMagic. The system analyzes viral channels and generates optimized titles, descriptions, and tags specifically for your content. This eliminates guesswork and saves hours of manual optimization. The keyword research tool is incredibly powerful. Enter any topic and receive search volume data, competition analysis, and something called Magic Score. This score weighs high search volume against low competition, identifying the easiest opportunities to rank. Find these golden keywords, locate successful videos targeting them, and create superior versions using AI-generated scripts. TubeMagic also includes niche exploration tools showing which topics are trending and their earning potential. The platform offers comprehensive video optimization, title generators, description writers, automatic chapter creation, and even thumbnail design tools. Everything integrates seamlessly. Now, I'll be honest with you. Using this system isn't glamorous. You're not going to feel like you're playing a video game. It's methodical work. Copying links, pasting information, generating content, and optimizing videos. Some might call it boring, but boring often equals effective. While other creators struggle with writer's block or spend entire days on single videos, you can produce optimized content consistently. The real magic happens when you stop trying to reinvent the wheel. Instead of guessing what might work, you're building on proven success. Every script incorporates elements from videos that have already attracted thousands or millions of views. You're not copying, you're synthesizing and improving. This approach transforms YouTube from a creative guessing game into a systematic process. The algorithm notices when your content keeps viewers engaged. I'm offering TubeMagic free for 1 week because I believe in its effectiveness. My hope is that you'll experience such significant results that you'll want to continue using it. This isn't about tricking you into a subscription. It's about proving value first. The system has helped me manage over 12 YouTube channels simultaneously. Your first 1,000 subscribers represent the hardest part of your YouTube journey. Once you break through this barrier, growth accelerates naturally. But getting there requires smart work, not just hard work. While others struggle with manual processes, you can leverage artificial intelligence. The opportunity window for AI-assisted YouTube growth is wide open right now. Most creators haven't discovered these tools yet. Remember, success on YouTube isn't about being the most creative or entertaining. It's about understanding what works and doing it consistently. Check the link below to access TubeMagic free for 7 days. Use this time to create and optimize several videos. Track your results. Compare your performance before and after using the system. Let the data speak for itself. Your first 1,000 subscribers are waiting. Stop making it harder than it needs to be.